Alright, for this next video, we're going to be replacing this filter, cabin air filter, so that when we turn on the air conditioner, it doesn't smell really gross, like basically stinky feet. So we're going to have to get under this passenger compartment area and remove these screws by hand. So let's do that. It's always left to loosen, right to tighten. I got another one here on the right side. Loosen that up. It's a tight space, but it's doable. Just gotta be patient. Got some air vents here, and air vents are here. And I'm gonna pull down on the carpet and see if I can get it to come down. If I can get a grip on it somewhere. I'll pull on the back of the carpet here and just pull on the edges, and it comes down like this. That's basically it. There he is. The screws that's done by hand, thumb screws. Set those aside on the carpet, and up here is our filter. So I'm supposed to pull this to the left to open it, to make it loose. There's kind of small space under here, but this is the filter right here. So I'm going to hold on to this tab and pull to the left. Actually, I'm pulling to the right, actually. So, get some light under here. It's kind of hard to do this by holding the camera and doing it also. But I'm going to pull this. Whoa! I think I just ate a whole bunch of leaves and dust in my face. Sorry about that. Not sure if you can see that or not, but... And the worst thing is I left the car running and the blower is on, so I got a bunch of dust in my face. So let's turn off the engine. As you can tell, I have a good idea how to do this, but I didn't go about this in exactly the right way. So let's turn off the motor. At least turn the blower off. So here the blower is off. Now with the blower off, you can see here is our cabin filter here. And I'm just gonna pull down on this. There's so much stuff in here. Pretty much disgusting here. It's been a while since I changed this. I don't think I've ever changed this myself, and it's been a few miles. More than a few miles. Oh my, it's dirty. So I just pull down slowly. It's got a lot of stuff from the trees above, because I park under a tree, and as a result I get a lot of this stuff comes down. I have to vacuum the car afterwards. Oh. My. That's a lot of stuff. Let's see if you can see that there. So this is the filter, and it's got a lot of pine leaves and things from the tree. Mostly on one side, strangely enough. But have a look at that, huh? So we have this out. Set on the ground. Look at these filter elements. They're pretty much clogged, so if you have the air conditioner on and it smells kind of funny, this is the reason why. That's pretty dirty. So I'm going to pause while I do some cleanup. I'm going to clean this stuff up and come back to replacing the filter. Alright, so here we are. We're going to unbox our filter. And here's the brand new one. Let's compare that to the old one. So, this is the old filter and the new filter. Gonna line these up like this. No, like this. Yeah, they're the same size, but this one is a lot cleaner. So let's put it in. Gotta get some more light. Now, before we replace the filter, I'm going to put this piece back on there. This piece sits at the bottom of the filter here. You can see these notches on here, which we have to pull it to the side to open it. Basically, I held on to this piece and pulled it to the right. So therefore, to put it back on, I have to push it to the left. Hope you could see that before. So this piece was on here, and I had to put it to the right to loosen it. And to put it back in, I have to push it to the left. So let's put this back onto the new. Going to attach these. And now it's attached. As you can see, it attaches here on the back. And from here, I'm just going to put this straight up into the filter housing and replace my carpet. So let's do that. So here we are back under this passenger well here, and I have to put this filter to make sure there's no other debris or contaminants inside there, like dirt and dust. So let's search around and pull anything out I can get my fingers into. And yep, I did find something here. We have some more stuff from the trees above. Pull all of those out. Matter of fact, I'm going to turn the blower on so we can blow them out. Okay, now that I have that blown out of there, I can put my new filter in and not worry about all this stuff getting back into the filter that I don't want. So I believe this is the correct orientation of the filter here. Only difficulty is finding the hole. There it is. And from there, as you can see, it's going to fit straight up into there. Sorry about that. And from here, in case you have it wrong, you think you might have it wrong, don't forget this little clip right here, this little tab fits on the right side. this tab you have to pull and push to get the filter to come out. From here I'm going to push straight up, and it seats in. I push it to the left and it seats perfectly. Look at that. It's nice and sealed, and I hope you can see that. It's not hanging. Pretty sturdy. Gonna replace the carpet and that should do the job. Now here comes the carpet. As to how to put this in, let's take a look at that. So basically the way it came out, small edge goes first. I'm going to push that up. Set the back in first and the front. Let's pause the video for a second. Alright, that's a better look at what we're trying to do here. In case you didn't get a good view of how they put the filter in, since I have the flashlight on the phone now installed, when you put this in, you just push it to the left and it will seat like that. So the tab right here. I put the carpet back in. I'm going to put the back in first and lift the front up. Make sure you get the vents to come through, and push this tab in here like this, and the back is seated, and put this edge under and get the holes exposed. Gotta get those holes exposed so you can get your air to flow out of there. And there you are, carpet is seated like it was before. But yes, I forgot, I have to put the thumb screws back in. Our thumb screws are here. I'm gonna find the holes and put them back up. There are two of them. And I just lost them. So here we go. Right to tighten, left to loosen. That's one. And two goes here. This way the carpet doesn't sag or hang down. And you know what? I think I'm missing the hole for this second one.
Thank you, 1,000 thanks to you.